Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to be learning how to fix a zipper. A lot of people find this very difficult, especially when you don't know the trick of fixing a zipper to your clothes. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to do this with so much ease. To do this you have to create the space on your skirt, shirt or trouser. So I'm already gone ahead to sew this piece of fabric where I'm going to fix the zipper to. So without further ado, let's jump right into the main video. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to open this up. I'm going to open this up and I'm going to fix my zipper on this straight line. To do this, make sure you iron the space or the allowance you left for your zipper, so it will be like a guide for you. You know where you are sewing, so you don't fix your zipper anyhow. Okay, make sure you iron the allowance for your zipper properly first. So I'm going to pin it all the way down on the straight line. So at this point, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider subscribing and do well to like this video as well. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, so pay attention to how I'm turning it. I'm going to turn it this way and I'm going to pin it on the straight line as well. Okay, fixing a zipper to your dress can be so easy when you know the trick, and most people find this very difficult. So make sure to pay attention to how I'm doing this. Okay, so when you open it up, this is how it's going to look. Even though I've not sewn it, it's looking like I've already sewn it. You can see it. So I'll go to my machine and then sew it down. So when sewing it, make sure you sew on the tiny smooth line on your zipper. When you open your zipper, when you look at your zipper closely, you see a tiny smooth line in between the zipper. That is where you are to sew. Okay, because most people don't know how to fix this zipper very well. When you carry your zipper, you will see a very tiny smooth line in between the zipper. That is where to sew on. So I'm going to do this and show you guys the result. See, you can see it's looking so nice and neat. This is the simplest way you can go about fixing your zipper. You see, it's looking nice and neat. So we are not going to leave this up like this. We are going to fold it in. So I'm going to open this up like this. Please pay attention to how I'm opening it, and then I'm going to fold it into the allowance inside and I'm going to close it up. Okay, look at how I'm doing it. I'll fold it inside the allowance like this and I'm going to close it up this way. Okay, you can see how I'm doing it, right? And then I'm going to pin it down. I'll do the same thing on the other side and then I'll show you guys. You open this up and then fold it inside the allowance and then close it up. You see how it's looking? When you close it, this is how it's going to come out. Okay, so I'm going to go over to my machine and then sew it down. I'll go there and sew it down and then I'll come and show you guys. So I've already gone ahead to sew it. This is the final result. So this is how to go about fixing your zipper. Okay, it's very simple. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for staying tuned.